The water is a precious resource, especially in industrial operations. At Alantech, we're committed to helping industries conserve water and reduce wastage. The first step in water conservation is identifying water-intensive processes within your facility. Cooling towers, boilers, and cleaning systems often use the most water. Implement advanced water treatment solutions like reverse osmosis and ultrafiltration systems. These technologies can recycle and reuse water, reducing overall consumption. Use smart monitoring tools to track water usage in real time. Alantech's analytical instruments provide insights that help you optimize water consumption, detect leaks, and prevent waste. Efficient chemical dosing is crucial. Alantech's dosing systems ensure precise chemical usage, which not only conserves water, but also maintains the quality of your water treatment processes. Engage and educate your team on the importance of water conservation. Simple actions like regular maintenance and efficient usage habits can lead to significant water savings. By integrating these tips with Alantech solutions, your industry can achieve significant water conservation, reduce costs, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your industry conserve water.